Edit in Excel is something that as consultants and implementers will use often, particularly in the beginning of a project where we're doing data imports. And so what this is all about is giving us the ability to take data that's already been imported and make changes to it. So to do that, we're going to go to this option here. It'll put it into an Excel sheet, and that's good if you're, trying to maybe work with static information and make some changes, um, like to a report or something that you're going to share with someone else. So we're going to click into the Edit in Excel. It's going to open up this file. Once I'm in there, the first thing that it's going to do is it's going to connect me to my um, Business Central environment. And from here, if I make any changes to this, it will write it back to BC. I'm going to copy this information down. Notice that it's basically I'm trying to edit this field. In this case, it's just a phone number. Once I've updated the information in Excel, I can just quickly click on Publish, and it's done that quickly. Now what I'll need to do is I'll need to refresh my BC, and once I look at that information at this point, notice that those phone numbers are in there.